Well, didn't this seem like an adequate idea at the time? We started off doing 100 hourly and a couple of little touch-ups, and then decided, well, while it's here, we may as well give it a paint job. Famous last words. Obviously that means wings off, flight controls off, and it turns out it's a fairly big job painting an aeroplane. So I thought I'd start this little series on the painting of the 172. So as you can see, wings have been removed. Mixed Boys did that the other day. I'll put a little time lapse up in a minute that they took of it, which is really quite cool. Flight controls are off, when also ailerons off the wings, which are off the aeroplane. It's all in the paint shop now, and we're going to do wings, flight controls, etc. first, and then the same treatment to the fuselage. And decided it was worth doing because charter category engine. So we're just going to give it a touch up and give it the paint job that it deserves if it's going to be in charter. And so we're in the shop now and getting some corrosion blended out of it. There's a little bit, as you're going to find, but not quite as bad as expected, which was good, given it's a 19. I think that's a compressor turning off. Given it's a 1977 172. So a little bit of surfacey type stuff, but nothing on the spars. The spars, all the inside of the wings all look pretty good, which is a relief because you never really know what you're going to find until you open these up. So come in and have a look at it. Excuse the mess. So if you'll also excuse the cub that's, I'd like to say not finished, but it's really not started. We've got the right wing here, the left wing. Nick put paint stripper on and it's taken all the paint off. A few little patches of corrosion that we're fixing there. Had to de-rivet a few sections, get in between the lap joints, and slowly going to be putting it all back together, sanding it, and giving it a paint job. Sounds simple in theory, but obviously still a long way to go. You can see just how chalky that paint was. So it's about earned, I think. It's only a short video for tonight. It's fairly late. I'm off to Hobart tomorrow to do an OPC in the Beaver down there. So if I get a chance, I'll make a video on that. But when I get back, we'll continue on with more of the 172 paint job. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.